Menteri Ketara Disaster Management Uma Kermenshela Hakasi Palay Jong Kateo Uraitu Baka Mining Policy Jong Kajala Meglaya Kana Ajimento Yeshibon Ba Kinongti Doyong Hakajala Ulong Bakibon Kibrio Hakajala Ki Imna Kati Doyong Balada Ka Sorkar Ka Pinstad Bantao Yanika Policy Kana Ajimento Yeshibon Ba Kibrio Jong Kajala.
Exactly that I really don't know how long it take, but if it can be, if we can speed it up, it will be benefit for the people of our state, which means we have seen that, and we know that most of the people in our state are depending on coal. So I believe that if the department can speed it up this process for mining plant, it will be a great benefits for the people of our state, especially those who are applied, and then it will be benefits for others too, because directly or indirectly it will be a great benefits. So we hope that this thing should be done as early as possible.
Ubashala ulapan pauru bakadang don hi kecing ti doyong bi anyang ni hangtai bar ki pulir kejela ki dang yai trai bentela kam yakni.
Yeah, that is a continued process. They have to do it from time to time, not only from time to time. Every day they should do it. So that is what I feel, because our police officers, those who are having free time, they should go for that, and they are doing that. Especially the highways and all. Yeah, they will not be able to go to those remote area, jungle and all, but at least the highways, the roadside, they are tracking.